Okay guys, so I have not really spoken about this so much, but I've actually been thinking about dissolving my cheeks and going for a little bit more of a natural look. And if there's anyone I trust more in the aesthetics world, it is Dr. Kaywaan, because he's honestly truly amazing. I feel like he just knows his stuff. So we are gonna do it. I just had a patch test done. We're gonna do it, and we are primarily just gonna like treat some areas, but I will let you guys know what it looks like and show you the after. And yeah, let's do this.
How's that for you?
Yeah, tolerable. Yeah, okay. Cool. So yeah, this is the area that we're gonna treat. We are going for a more natural look. This is it. So this is me right after treatment. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that we're finally doing this. I've been thinking about this for such a long time now. So it's gonna take up to 48 hours for it to be like almost fully dissolved, and then like a week or so. But usually in the first 48 hours, you'll see the dramatic results. I have had filler in the past dissolved. I had some on my jawline which had dissolved as well, and it was really, really good. So just make sure wherever you're going, guys, always make sure you go someone good. But yeah, we're gonna literally just massage the area now, and then I'm gonna keep you posted on how this dissolves. Hey guys, what's up? So I literally have just got home. It's been a few hours now. I wanna say it's been like 6 hours since I had the like dissolving, and I can definitely see a difference. It's really strange. It's really strange, but I actually feel like, tell me if you agree, but I actually feel like I look younger and better without as much cheek. But yeah, this is definitely still gonna take a little bit more time to dissolve, but so far I'm really loving it. I feel like it's very subtle difference, but I can see it, and I think it just looks so much better and just a little bit like me, and like a little bit like the old me. I'm really happy, and I'm gonna check in with you guys as well, maybe tomorrow or the day after, to see. Just so you know, it feels very strange. Like the dissolver, it kind of feels like something's happening, and it feels strange. I'm not gonna lie, it feels very strange, just feeling like more of bone as opposed to like the fleshy kind ofness. So here it's still quite fleshy, but here I can definitely feel my natural cheekbone, and naturally I have quite chiseled cheeks anyway, so there's still a cheekbone there. It's just not as pronounced. Does it hurt? No, it's just a funny, weird sensation. Good morning, everyone. So I literally just wanted to update you with how my face looks and how the dissolving is kind of looking. So I literally have just kind of woke up, so I've got morning voice, I've got, you know, the lines on your face when you're like sleeping and stuff. I definitely feel like I'm a little bit puffy today. I can tell that if I press an area, it kind of leaves a bit of an indent, and it feels so strange, guys. It's kind of like, imagine having a nose and now your nose is smaller, and so you're like, why does it feel like that? Obviously my nose doesn't feel any different, I'm talking about my cheeks, but like it just feels like there's like nothing there, which is kind of crazy, but I really like it. I think it's a lot more natural. I think it's a lot more softer. It's a lot more maybe like rounded. I'm gonna see how it goes on today, because I think most of it is kind of like gone now. I don't think there's gonna be much more happening. Good morning, guys. So it is day 2 of the cheek dissolver, and I definitely feel like there is a continuous difference. There's definitely quite a big difference than yesterday. I have noticed that this whole area has now like just really gone down, and I look different. So I think what we can definitely see is that all of the filler that was kind of like in here has kind of gone away. All of the filler that was kind of here has also like just dissolved. Overall, I feel like I like the fact that my face is like less kind of chiseled and it's gone down. But I guess what I've noticed is now that that's all gone, there's a little bit more of a shadow, and I guess that's why I kind of got tear trough filler to begin with, to kind of get rid of that shadow, because I felt like I was always having to use concealer all the time, and I didn't feel as confident not wearing concealer when going out. I think what I'm gonna do is just report back again tomorrow and give you guys an update, letting you know how I feel. I'm gonna keep you posted as well if I decide that I want to get any areas like built back up or topped up or anything like that. So yeah, looking at me now is a different version of me, but it's kind of the version that I like it's a more natural version. It's a, I don't know what you think, guys. Like, let me know what you think, but I personally think I actually look more young. Hey guys, what's up? So it is 6 weeks now since I got my under eye filler dissolved. They kind of say you should wait around about 2 weeks for it to fully dissolve and settle in before having any more filler put in. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. I kind of gave it a little bit more time just because I felt like there were changes and things had to settle. But you know, this video is gonna be very, very honest. It's just gonna be the truth. So this is, like I said, 6 weeks now. I have left it. I just wanna show you, I have no makeup on, and I really wanted to show you what my face looks like without makeup. And then I'm also gonna show you what it looks like with makeup. So obviously the first thing that you could probably notice is there's a lot less filler. Well, there's nothing. Everything's kind of dissolved underneath the eyes. Originally, what I noticed was that because the skin had been stretched, the skin was a lot more saggy at first, which kind of really concerned me because I was like, oh my god, like my skin is really saggy and loose around that area. They experienced the same thing around their lips, like it went really saggy, and then depending on the elasticity of your skin, it kind of like takes a while to just get back. So I've been on it with the peptides and the collagen creams to try and just regain elasticity around the eye area. So now when I smile, yeah, this is kind of how it looks like. If I'm really honest, I see that there is asymmetry. You can see here there's a lot more of a shadow than on this side. This side seems to be a lot softer and kind of slightly coming down, and this side is a little bit, there's still filler around these areas, which is kind of strange because I never really used to get my cheeks done here, but filler does migrate. And just FYI, I've been having filler for many years, and gradually what happens is it just kind of like builds up like anything. So I am really happy that I did it. Another thing I really want to talk about is that filler, although people say, practitioners say that, oh yeah, it lasts like 6 months or 12 months or 18 months, I will just like to point out that although those may be textbook answers, everyone is different. I definitely have felt that the more I've had filler, then the more it has built up, and my body hasn't really broken it down as much. Maybe at first it did, but it hasn't really broken it down in the last few times that I've been having filler. So there is a build-up, guys. There is a gradual build-up, and the only way really to get rid of it is to use dissolver and to just get rid of that. Hello guys, what's up? Good morning. Okay, so today is going to be the second time that I'm going to be going in for some filler dissolving. I cannot believe I'm saying this. Can't believe this is happening, but it's a process. We went there the first time. We're going back to Dr. Kaywaan today at Hannah London, and I have to say I'm so happy with the results. I feel like I'm really glad that I did it. So there's just a few areas that you can kind of see. There's still a little bit more filler under this side, still a little bit more filler on this cheek, and I've had the tip of my nose done as well. So we're maybe going to dissolve all those 3 areas again, so underneath the eyes, cheeks, and a little bit of the nose. But yeah, this is what we're going to do. Obviously after everything settles down after 2 weeks, we're going to reevaluate, look and see if there's any areas that we did want to rebuild up or like put more filler on, but we're just gonna see. I'm not sure, and if I do, I think it's gonna be very minimal because there's no point dissolving to then go back to square one, so that would just be pointless. So yeah, we are gonna go back to Harley Street today. Okay, so we are literally here now. We just arrived at Hannah London. This is their Harley Street branch, so they also have one in Colindale, and we're here with Dr. Kaywaan. Hey. My man. So we have literally just been chatting about how it's all looking, how it's all going. So today is going to be day 2 of dissolving a little bit more filler. I cannot believe we're here again, but I fully trust Dr. Kaywaan. You know how much I love him. As I've already mentioned many times in this video, I'm going to pop Hannah London's at all of their socials and their website down below if you do want to check out. They literally do everything, guys, so definitely go and check them out. So yeah, I'm going to show you the whole treatment today. So if if you are scared of needles, you've made it this far in this video, but let's do it. Okay, so I'm literally just stood in front of the mirror right here and against the light as well. So we have just mocked out all of the areas we wanted to treat. What I love is that we just did a really in-depth consultation and marked everywhere areas of concern and stuff like that. And yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm so nervous, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna show you everything. These are the areas. The three main areas are gonna be the cheekbones, underneath the eyes, where I've already mentioned there's a bit of like asymmetry, and then also the sides of the nose where a bit of filler has migrated. So let's get straight into the treatment. Let's do it. Okay, so we have decided that we are gonna be doing a cannula today, which we have done in the past. And yeah, here are all of the markings. And we're gonna go in. So this is what we look like straight after treatment. We're just wiping away all of those white lines and the pen marks. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna tune in with you guys if I see any difference. And also when I get back home, I'll show you what it all looks like. So yeah, this is straight after treatment. Let's do this. Okay, so we're still out and about. I just wanted to check in with you guys of how we kind of look. So usually there's a little bit of puffiness. So I've definitely noticed that kind of like puffs up first, but yeah, this will all kind of like settle in. So if I see another difference as well, then I'll definitely just film it for you guys. But so far, absolutely fine. It feels a little bit like tingly sometimes, but that's about it. Hey guys, what's up? So it has been a couple of days since my second round of dissolving a filler. This vlog is definitely a little bit longer than what I intended it to be, but I wanted to just like tune in and show you how everything is looking and giving you a little face update. I'm in a good mood. I've had my coffee, I've had my workout, I did a spinning class, I literally just had a shower, hence why my hair looks like this. But we're not here to talk about that, we're here to talk about filler. My favorite topic. I just wanted to show you the results now that everything has settled. The cannula technique is honestly so amazing because you don't get any like loads of like needle holes, and there's very minimal bruising. So if you're someone who wants a softer, more discreet treatment or service, cannula is just one of the like most amazing techniques. I've had it done many times before. I know it looks so scary. Trust me, I know, I'm sorry, but I wanted to show you everything. I wanted to show you what it looks like so you know what you're gonna get yourself in for if you do go and have any filler dissolved. Just FYI, everything's kind of settled down. You can see underneath the skin on this side, there's definitely a little bit of bruising. Your boy is in need of some Botox because the wrinkles are coming through. I definitely will say when I initially had my dissolver done, so my part 1 dissolver, I did have Botox at the same time, and I feel like the Botox wasn't as effective this time. I'm not sure if it was because it mixed with the dissolver or it just wore out really quickly because I had like baby Botox, but definitely feel like it wasn't as effective this time. So if you can, try not to get both of those treatments done together, otherwise it's a little bit of a waste of money. So that's just a little bit tip. Maybe just wait two weeks, wait until all of the dissolvers settled, and then go ahead with your filler and Botox, because then it will be a lot more effective. So as we can see here, there is a lot more. I'm just looking at the little screen above my camera in case you're wondering why I'm looking up. But as you can see, there's a lot more symmetry underneath the eyes. That kind of area that was a little bit lumpy or raised has completely smoothed down. I cannot believe how I look. I feel like this is like the old version of me, maybe more of a natural version of me, and I definitely feel like I look younger. Like, funnily enough, I don't know how this has even happened, but I just feel like I looked so much younger and a lot more like myself. So yeah, this is where I'm at right now. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely see a lot more of the darkness underneath my eyes, and it's still gonna take a little bit of time just to fully settle, but this is kind of what the finished result is gonna be like. I am so happy. I honestly feel like Dr. Kaywaan he's just 10 out of 10 for me. He's so patient, he's so professional, he's really good at what he does. So if you like definitely want to check him out, please, like I'm not just saying this, like I honestly would highly recommend him, whether you're in Colindale or Harley Street or London, definitely worth a visit. Even if you're not in London, I would definitely travel to London to see him. But yeah, this is how it's kind of going. We did do a little bit of dissolving around the tip of the nose over here and also on that area, and there was a lump that was there before, which is completely gone now. So I'm so happy that this is kind of how everything is looking. What's next? What am I gonna do next? What's the next plan? What's the end result? So definitely your boy is gonna wait the full 2-week period before I get any treatments done, just to let the dissolver work its magic, do its thing, and everything kind of like calms down. Collagen levels will go back up. Everything will be fine. I'm actually taking like liquid collagen at the moment, just to kind of help keep my face plump, slash my whole body. And yeah, I'm gonna look at my face back then. I'm definitely gonna have Botox because like the movement's coming through. So yeah, I'm gonna get my Botox topped up after 2 weeks. And I'm just gonna look. I haven't had filler done in around about 2 years, or maybe over 2 years now. So it's been a long time. So there are a few areas which I've been holding off topping up, but I'm just gonna see. I might not get anything done, and if I do, then I'll definitely keep you guys posted and I'll let you know, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this settles. If I feel like it's a little bit uneven or it could be a little bit smoother, I might get a tiny bit of filler, but tiny, just to smooth those areas out, maybe my smile lines and maybe a little lip top up. But I don't actually feel like I need anything right now, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. You guys know I'm super transparent, and I want you to understand that this video, I know it's not for everyone. I know filler, Botox, facial aesthetics is not for everyone, but I hope you can really appreciate that I'm not doing this to kind of like, you know, influence people. I'm doing this to kind of like spread awareness and educate people and just be really transparent. And I'm doing this so that there's something online so that people are not freaking out and they know that they've got options. So I hope you appreciate my honesty, my transparency, and me showing you everything, because I know a lot of people just like to hide it and keep it secret and be like, no, I don't get anything done, but the lie. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I cannot believe I have shared this journey with you guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of the support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to leave all the links down below as well. PS, bundles are available. Yes, we've got brand new bundles, charity bundles. I'm going to link that down below as well, and definitely check that out. Yeah, don't forget to maybe share this video with anyone who you might feel like this might be helpful for them. Anyone maybe who's thinking about dissolving filler or having filler or anything like that. Definitely share it, and I will be in the comments chatting to you guys. So ask me any questions. You can ask me anything. I'm a total open book. And until then, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to be kind, spread love, and smile. Have a good day, guys. Love you. Bye.